This call is now being recorded.
Yes, now I can see many are joining. I hope your class is over
Good
now.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
good
ma'am,
afternoon.
over.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good
We'll
afternoon,
do
ma'am.
the same thing every time on Wednesdays, okay? I'll just take your class 5 minutes later so that you can complete one topic, and please tell your teachers to conduct your class 5 minutes early, okay? So that even they don't have to suffer, or your syllabus should suffer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please. It's a request, okay, to your teachers. Not every day, but only on Wednesdays. They have to take your class little early so that, and even I will take class 5 minutes late so that becomes easy on both that. Okay, so today, hopefully, we will be able to complete your chapter and we'll discuss the question answers also. Okay, fine. So, new hangman, new hangman, new hangman. Now, I hope at least about the topic it's clear to everyone that who was that new hangman, why he applied for the job, why he doesn't want to take up his job, do his duty properly, and what were his like statements which he gave, okay, for not doing his job. For not doing his job, he gave so many explanations like this is not something which everyone feel obliges to do, because the work of a hangman is basically to take away the someone else's life, whether proven guilty or not, or whether accused or something, due to any reason. But it is something which someone else has done, like the law is permitting you, but law is created by a human being, and that human being can even amend it. So he said that I am going to bring this change, like I am not going to conduct this duty,
Excuse me,
only
ma'am.
the yes bache.
Ma'am, your voice is very low. It's not audible.
Is it not audible to everyone?
No, ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's
it's
clear. Ma'am, I'm it's audible. audible.
I think Kritika, just check your network once bache. Yeah, so
okay,
what I
ma'am.
was yeah, so what I was saying here, that okay, just turn on your captions as well, everyone. I request everyone to turn on your captions. That will be much effective. Okay, it will be effective for what I'm saying. It will be displayed on your screen as well. So I was saying that the job of a hangman, okay, he said it's very easy. What I have to do, anyone can do, even a small kid can do. You just have to pull the lever and the work is done. Everything is prepared, everything is ready. So anyone can do it, but he will not do. And he took up this job only to refuse this. And he wanted to see that if he's not doing his duty, so who else is willing to do that job? Okay, who else will do that? Because even the governor said it's a 20 pound. Okay, for one hanging you'll get the 20 pound, and he approached the warder also, and he said no, he's fine. Yeah, that's not his duty, that's not part of his work, so he will not do it. So there were so many reasons given by the hangman to refuse, okay, and he was having some of the valid points as well. Okay, he was having the valid point, and the most valid point he gave that in my last hanging, I witnessed a hanging in which the accused one, okay, was who was hanged was basically an innocent person, and that made me a part of this crime, of this hideous crime, that we became his murderer. So I don't want to do it. So let's proceed now. So I will be starting with page number 179 only. Okay, I will be doing it page number 179 with the dialogue of the hangman. Okay, the governor. Okay, yes, I will start with the governor's dialogue, page number 179. Yes, and by God, it has got to be done. But who is going to do it? God, it has got to be done. Is the hanging hanging honi hai? But here the question arises that who is going to do it? Who is going to hang that person? फांसी कौन देने वाला है? Hangman is saying that it's already now, sir. A child could do it, only a lever to be pulled, and anyone here knows well enough how to pinion a man. That means how to hold a man. Pinion a man here means how to hold down a man and pull on the cap. Leave me out. Pull on the cap means you must have seen in the movies also कि आदमी को पकड़ते हैं फिर इसके ऊपर काला कपड़ा लगाते हैं फेस कवर करते हैं ओके so that is something to be done. So he said that anyone can do it और उसके बाद जो last thing करनी है वो lever pull करना है वो एक बच्चा भी कर सकता है. Leave me out. There's 4 others here fit to carry out the law. So he's saying अगर आप मुझे निकाल देते हो there are still 4 persons like so 2 warders, 1 governor and 1 chaplain. So there are 4 more persons who can do it for me. Instead of me, who can do it? There is a pause. The governor looks at the 2 warders. Well, will either of you men volunteer? Roberts? Don't ask me, sir. My wife's expecting, sir. If she knew. No, sir. I can't do it. You, Thomas? What about you? It's a 20-pound job, remember? It's no part of my duty, sir. Then Hangman says, why don't you do it, sir? The governor makes no sign. Wants a bit more faith, doesn't it, sir? Perhaps the reverend will obliged. Now he says, sir, आप खुद क्यों नहीं करते हो? You know, you can trust yourself, you can faith yourself. Okay, and perhaps by chance, your reverend, your senior authorities will also be obliged to hear that this work was supposed to be conducted and you have done it. Okay, it was to be done and you have done it. So they will be obliged. The prison bell begins tolling. That means जब एक prisoner को लाया जाता है तो घंटियां बजाते हैं वहां पे तो it started. Okay. God, stop that damned bell. What the devil did they start that for? कि किसने start किया उसको? It was the order, sir. It's 3 minutes to 8, sir. Bell tolls again. Now page number 180, everyone. Page number 180. Roberts put me through emergency call. Commissioner's House Center Office, Whitehall, and Thomas, stop the bell quick. Second warder, yes, sir. Bell tolls, he goes while the third warder engages the telephone and puts through a code call, but his words are muffled by the speaking of other voices. Chaplain approaching the hangman. Now he is going towards hangman. I don't think you are right, Mr. Hangman. No, not at all. But personally, I'm very much obliged to you. Now he's saying that you are not doing it right. What he's not doing right, that is, if he's performing his duty, then it's correct. He is not doing his job, so that is not a right thing which he is doing. That means you are doing something wrong. आप अपनी ड्यूटी नहीं निभा रहे हो. आपने जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया. You got selected and you are now refusing to do your work. That is not right at all. But personally, if you want to ask me, because I was not ready for this procession and I was forcefully here, so I am very much obliged to you. Again, battles, okay? Oh, don't mention it, sir. Wasn't considering you, sir. Chaplain, I was considering myself, though. He said, I was not considering you means मैं आपके लिए नहीं कर रहा था. Then he said, okay, I think I was considering myself. Hangman, well, all do, sir. Bell tolls. Curious thing, isn't it, sir, that the questions we have found hardest to answer was asked by the first murderer. Am I my brother's keeper? Bell tolls. We all want to say no like him when it comes to the pinch. Now he's saying like the first murderer. The explanation is given at the bottom also, like one of the person killed his brother and when the god asked that where is your brother, he said, am I not the keeper? मैंने उसकी support पे answer देना शुरू नहीं किया है. And comes to the page means that it is something which he has to really necessary answering, that he said, am I like his keeper or something? But he said no. I wanted to say no, but still he wanted to answer it. Then the tolling of the bell has stopped. Second warder, you are through, sir. That means आपकी call जो है वो connect हो गई है. The governor goes to the telephone. Now see what he is saying. Yes, governor. Wandsworth Prison speaking. A terrible thing has happened here. We have an execution at 8 o'clock, 2 minutes from now, and the hangman has struck. No, hasn't struck anybody. Struck means to strike or to hit. Okay, struck का मतलब होता है hit करना या strike करना. So he's saying that hangman ने क्या किया, स्ट्रिक कर दिया. सो नो स्ट्रिक किसी और को नहीं, मतलब किसी को हिट नहीं किया है. ठीक है, बट ही इज एक्सप्लेनिंग कि एग्जीक्यूशन हो रही थी 8 बजे, बट अब हैंगमैन ने वहां पे एक प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट की है. स्ट्रक वर्क, दैट ही हैज होल्ड ऑन द वर्क. वॉन्ट डू हिज जॉब. व्हाट आर ही डू? Well, must decide. I can only report how the case stands. Authority. Oh no, absolutely refuses. Absolutely. I don't know. Or religious men. I don't know which. No, they won't. None of them. Okay, you can see the lot of space in between. That means that the other person is speaking, is talking in the telephone, and he is replying to it. Stunt here, you know ना, public जिसको बोलते हैं publicity stunt बोलते हैं. Okay, for the for the media, for publicity, someone is doing. He said, I don't know, maybe publicity like stunt it's happening, or the mania, that means the some follower, he's some religious follower or something. You don't know anything about it. Okay, what is the reason? But he's absolutely refusing. He's not convincing at all that he will proceed the hanging. He simply said no, he doesn't want to hang the person. Okay, no, they won't, none of them. That means अब वो लोगों के लिए पूछ रहे हैं, ठीक है, जो आसपास के लोग थे, कि नो, नन ऑफ देम, कोई नहीं कर सकता. यू कांट फोर्स देम. अब आगे हम उनको फोर्स नहीं कर सकते किसी और को उसकी जगह काम करने के लिए. नो, इट इजंट इनफ. Now something it's not enough. Besides, it isn't a financial, it's a moral objection. Now he's saying no, isn't it enough that the money which he's getting for this job, okay, enough है. Then he's saying no, it's not financial. मतलब वो पैसों के लिए refuse नहीं कर रहा है, ठीक है. It's something a moral objection. Moral means morality, something related to the values and moral values है, थोड़े से morality है कि that he is refusing. But the financial problem or the money problem is not the reason there. Okay, then he say yes, but what are we to do? हम क्या कर रहे हैं अब? I want instructions. No, he's not drunk. He just won't do it. उसने कहा नहीं, उसने, he's not drunk. That he's under some alcohol or some, some additional steroids or something. He's saying under that fit. No, he just simply won't do it. I know, time's up and the poor devil's waiting. And उसके time खत्म हो रहा है हमारे पास, और वो poor devil जो जिसको फांसी होनी है वो wait कर रहा है. Wondering perhaps whether we have forgotten him. लेकिन वो ये सोच रहा होगा कि बाई चांस हम लोग भूल गए हो, ठीक है, क्योंकि 8 बज रहे हैं, उसको फांसी के लिए नहीं लेके आए हैं, नहीं लगा रहे हैं, तो वो सोच रहा होगा कि कोई मैजिक हुआ है, कुछ मिरेकल हुआ है कि उसकी फांसी नहीं हो रही है या हम उसको भूल गए. Yes, horrible. The suspense must be awful. अब जो suspense है वो और ज्यादा strange होता जा रहा है, awful, strange होता जा रहा है. Yes, I admit the responsibility, but you can't hang without a hangman. No, I am not prepared to do that, nor is anyone else whom I could trust. All I'm asking for is instructions. What am I to do? Well, for the present, I have stopped them tolling the bell. Is that to go on? Well, then, for God's sake, get somebody who can. Now, he's saying, I admit that this is my responsibility, कि मेरे अंडर ये हो जाना चाहिए, but हम बिना hangman के hang नहीं कर सकते हैं. And I am not prepared to do that. That I am not ready to kill another person without the hangman, and nor anyone else. और कोई और भी नहीं है जो उसको मारे, मतलब उसको जो लिवरपूल करे, जिसको हम ट्रस्ट कर सके. मैं आपको फोन किया है सिर्फ ये पूछने के लिए कि व्हाट शुड वी डू नाउ. अब आगे मैं क्या करूं, मुझे सिर्फ आप इंस्ट्रक्शंस दो. रेस्ट, आई एम ओनली हियर टू रिपोर्ट द प्रॉब्लम and waiting for the instructions to do. I don't have any authority to take any decision on behalf of someone else. So he's saying, well, for the present, I have just stopped them tolling the bell. कि बेल बजाना मैंने बंद कर दिया है. जो एक लास्ट रिचुअल बेल्स होती है कि किसी को जब फांसी होनी तो बेल बजेंगे, सबको पता लगेगा, वो मैंने बंद करवा दिया है. कि should we continue with it? Is it to go on? Well, then just get me somebody who can answer me, who can take the decision. Now he's saying just get somebody, किसी को लेके आओ जो decision actual में decision ले सकता है और हम सबको इस problem से बचा सकते हैं. The prison clock starts to strike 8. The second warder has returned. God, it started again. Thomas, didn't I tell you to stop that bell? Second warder, it's only 8 o'clock striking, sir. Governor, only? He waits, the clock goes on striking, it ends, he turns back to receiver. Yes, oh, yes, sir, yes, yes. Well, of course, it will be a terrible thing to have start all over again another day. Public opinion? Yes, quite so. Yes, very. Almost impossible. No, sir. One can't be found in 24 hours or trained either. Besides, how are you going to keep it out of the papers? There's a crowd waiting now. Why, yes. Under the circumstances, I should hope so. Awful to have it again. Very well. Thank you. Then you will report to the Home Office and we will await further instructions. Yes, yes. Oh, yes. I can settle with him. Quite. Goodbye. Now he is saying, yes, 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 yes. Okay. Well, of course, it will be a terrible thing to have start all over again another day. कि जो प्रोसीजन हमने आज किया उस पर्सन के लिए, ठीक है, रात भर वो बेचारा सोया नहीं, उसका पेट खराब हो गया, उसको अल्कोहल दिया गया, ठीक है, ताकि वो नॉर्मल हो सके, मेडिसिन दी गई, ठीक है, उसको दिलासा दिया गया, उसको मेंटली प्रिपेयर किया गया, इमोशनली, मेंटली वी आल्सो प्रिपेयर्ड आवरसेल्फ फॉर दिस हैंगिंग. And then we arranged a new hangman for this procession. And now what happened? He refused. Now again to do it all over again, सब कुछ process को दोबारा repeat करना is a terrible thing again. And then he is saying that public opinion, yes, quite so. Okay, शायद public opinion हो कि देनी चाहिए फांसी कि नहीं जानी चाहिए, but almost impossible. Now he's saying that it's almost impossible, sir, कि हम कल नहीं कर सकते because within 24 hours we cannot get another hangman or and neither we can train anyone. Either हम लोग क्या यहाँ पे train भी नहीं कर सकते किसी को. 24 hours पे आप mentally, physically किसी को train करोगे कि आपने किसी की जान लेनी है. It's not possible. Besides, how to keep you out? And then he says, how are you going to keep it out of the papers? Out of the papers means that there is a crowd outside. Okay, when we have to report to the like office or to the court or to the jury that why this thing has not happened. So the reason we are going to give that in our responsibility, under our responsibility, something was supposed to be happen, but वो हुआ नहीं. क्यों नहीं हुआ? क्या reason देंगे? कैसे justify करेंगे? Some other day we are going to like hang him. That's fine, but how we are going to tell everyone here? So he's saying that it's a like very, very, very difficult situation. I should hope कि अब दोबारा ना हो कुछ भी. And awful. अब बहुत अजीब लग रहा है कि हम इसको दोबारा से ऐसा होगा. Well, very well, thank you. Then I will report. Then he says, please, you will report now. You will report to the Home Office and we will await further instructions. And yes, I can settle with him quite good. But he said, then I will settle with the new hangman here. Goodbye. Okay, but let's see then what happened. And I'm just waiting for the instructions. While the governor has been at the phone, now this is important here, please girls, the hangman has taken up his hat and has gone towards the outer door. There, however, he is held up by the third warder who awaits the governor's instructions before unlocking the door. अब वो वहां पे जाता है डोर की तरफ जो क्राउड की तरफ खुलती, मान लो की बैल्कनी है, वहां वो खड़ा हो गए और थर्ड वार्डर ने उसको पकड़ लिया. ठीक. Now governor is saying, where's that fellow? Hangman, I am going, sir. Going? Are you? If you don't mind, sir, unless you have got orders to keep me service. Okay? If you don't mind, sir, जब तक आपके पास order ना हो मुझे यहाँ रखने के, तब तक तो at least I can go. No, the matter is out of my hands now. You can go, let him out. He said, no. अब मेरे पास कोई authority नहीं है. हमने high authority में home office में report कर दिया है. Now he can go. Now the warder unlocks the door. अब warder क्या करता है? वो door खोल देता है. Page number 182. Chaplain says, you know, you have behaved disgracefully. Yes, sir, but I have saved you and others from behaving worse. Good day, sir. क्या हमारे साथ और बुरा हो सकता था अगर हमने इसको विटनेस किया होता तो एटलीस्ट तुम सबको तो बचा लिया ना. खुद को डिस्ग्रेस करके या खुद को डिसरिस्पेक्ट पहुंचा के इन सबकी आंखों में. There is no answer. He goes out accompanied by the second warder. Further unlockings are heard. An unseen door opens. Through it comes the restless murmuring of a crowd. Now what happens? वो जैसे ही बाहर जाता है, like door से जा रहा, not the balcony, but from the first door, and suddenly there is the shouting of the crowd. Okay, suddenly क्या होता है? Shouting of the crowd शुरू होता है, एकदम से चिल्लाना लोग शुरू हो जाते हैं. क्यों होते हैं? गवर्नर कहते हैं, Roberts, go and tell Brown to come to me at once. You stay. Second warder, yes, sir. He goes. Chaplain, slowly recovering his wits. Dear me now, Governor, this has been a great shock, a dreadful shock to me. But what a relief. उसने कहा कि गवर्नर जी, dear me now, अब मुझे भी जाने दो. मेरे लिए तो बहुत शॉकिंग हुआ है कि मैं एक हैंगिंग और हैंगिंग नहीं हुई. But I'm very happy कि मुझे relief मिला है that I don't have to be the part of this dirty game. I don't have to be here. Governor very sternly said, I shall have to report you, sir, for being slack in the execution of your duty. Now here, slack here means कि आपने भी misbehave किया है. So I will be reporting it. You have come here while drinking, that you were drunk and you have come here for the execution. Who gave you this right to do it? So I will be reporting it. Chaplain, extenuating circumstances. Governor, execution you say, but we didn't execute. So I wasn't. He's saying that extenuating circumstances, that I don't think so that this is a very serious situation, sir. Execution you say कि like फांसी के टाइम में पी कर आया हूँ, but फांसी तो हुई नहीं. So technically I wasn't. So you cannot put allegations on me and you cannot like just report about it. Re-entered the head warder. Governor, you have heard what's happened, Brown? Yes, sir. I phoned the chief commissioner for instructions. There will be no execution now, I'm sure. That's so, sir? I could get nobody else to volunteer. No, sir. You didn't send for me, sir. No, Brown, I did not. I thought I know you well enough. हेड वार्डर मच obliged to you, sir. तो उसने कहा कि हेड वार्डर वहां पे एंटर होता है, तो उसने बोलता है सर क्या हुआ. उसने कहा कि अब कोई एग्जीक्यूशन नहीं हो रही है. कहते क्यों सर? कहते मैंने सब बंदों से पूछा, कोई रेडी नहीं था, हैंगमैन रेडी नहीं था. तो हेड वार्डर कहता है कि आपने मुझे अप्रोच क्यों नहीं किया. He said, I know you very well, so that's why I have not approached you. Maybe you would have said yes, inspired you didn't want to do it, but आप शायद अपनी ड्यूटी के लिए ये कर देते, तो मैंने इसलिए आपसे पूछा नहीं. तो उसने कहा I'm very much obliged to you. That means I'm very thankful to you that you have not come to me. Then what happened? Go back to the prisoner. Governors, go back to the prisoner. Say I'm coming. Tell him there is a hope. कि prisoner के पास जाओ और उसको बोलो अभी भी hope है, शायद वो बच जाए, आज फांसी नहीं हुई, शायद next time भी ना हो. So that was a relief for him. Then head warder goes. A sound of strange uproar comes from without. The second warder enters hastily. Without means an out of position or somewhere. बाहर से ना एक आवाज आती है, बहुत जोर से चीख रहे होते हैं वो लोग, चीख रहे होते हैं. ठीक है. गवर्नर पूछता है what's all that noise about? Second warder, it's a crowd, sir. He's out there speaking to them. He is here, the hangman. He is speaking to them. He? Who? The hangman, sir. A sound of cheering. In official consternation, anxiety, shock, confusion में जाके, he's got them, sir. He's making himself popular. How awful, how very awful. That means how disgusting here. That how very disgusting, how strange this is happening. Like he's making himself popular by not hanging the person, by not doing his duty properly. Why he would have done that or something? Great Scott, what will the Home Office say to this? The cheering goes on. उसने कहा Great Scott. ये हेड वार्डर के लिए बोला गया. पता नहीं होम ऑफिस इसके बारे में क्या कहेगा, साउंड के बारे में. एंड द cheering goes on and there ends your this drama with an open ending. Okay, here it is an open ending. That means there is no proper ending is given to this whole drama. एक क्वेश्चन से इसको करते हैं, that what will we say, या होती है प्रोसेशन की नहीं होती, इसको बोलते हैं ओपन एंडिंग. तो आपकी ड्रामा की एंडिंग होती है एक ओपन से, लाइक एनीथिंग यू कैन थिंक है वो आगे क्या बोलता है, कन्विंस करता है कि नहीं करता है, उसको फांसी मिलती है कि नहीं मिलती है, क्या ऑर्डर आता है. नथिंग इज प्रूव्ड हियर, नथिंग इज गिवन हियर. बट हियर फॉर द डे Okay, the man who was to be hanged was relieved that he is having some hope. Chaplin was relieved that he doesn't have to face anything terrible, horrible like this. New hangman was happy that he has not hanged another person who might be like an innocent also. Governor is little bit, you can say, innocent in a state where he thinks that he is like he has not able to perform his duty and the many people. So this was the play here. My only question to all of you is that is there anything which is not clear to you from this chapter?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, everything is clear.
Okay, everything is clear to all of you. Yeah, any questions you want to ask? Sorry. Any question you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
So whenever okay, just excuse me. Yeah, whenever we are having the next class, we'll discuss the question answers and we will do the last poetry. Okay, and we'll start. Then we will just try. I will take permission from sister that few classes will have on Zoom. Okay, so that I can make something clear to you through Zoom app about the grammar. Okay, we'll revise the grammar topics then. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. I'll just see that we conduct few classes through Zoom. Okay. Yes. Till then, just have a good day. Keep preparing for your exams. I have given you a date sheet. Okay. I have provided you with some details. Accordingly, just prepare yourself for your half yearly. I'm saying for your third unit test. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Any other questions? I hope there is none, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.